Topple, how to play. The object of the game is to score the most points without toppling any pieces. Place the game base on the table with the topple tower resting on top of it. Each player takes all the playing pieces of one color. Pick the winning score for the game, for example, 50 points. Each player rolls the die. The highest roller goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, roll the die, then place a piece on the matching level of the board as indicated by the number on the die. If you roll a 6, then you place a piece anywhere on the board. You may place pieces on top of other pieces. If you place a piece so that it completes a 5 in a row horizontally, vertically, or diagonally, you score 3 points for completing the row, plus 1 additional point per playing piece of your own color that is in the topmost position of that row. If you add a piece to a row that already has 5 pieces, then you only score 1 point per piece of your own color that is the topmost piece in that row. If you add a piece to a stack of 3 or more pieces, then you score 1 point per piece of your color in that stack. You are allowed to score for multiple rows and a stack in a single move, counting the played piece multiple times per instance. Record your points on a score sheet as you play. You are not allowed to touch any piece that has already been played. If any number of pieces fall off the stack or off the board, this is called a topple and the round ends. A player who caused the topple immediately loses 10 points, and the previous player to have played earns 3 points. If any player causes a topple by touching the board or table when it is not their turn, then they lose 10 points. If all the pieces are played without a topple, then the round ends. At the end of the round, if no player exceeds the winning score, then remove all the pieces from the board and play another round. At the end of a round, if a player exceeds the winning score, then they win. If multiple players exceed the winning score, then whoever has the highest score wins.